So I got a Kawasaki Mule MX Pro, and I don't see anything much on the internet with upgrading tires as far as size and that, and then your gain of how many miles per hour you gain. What we're looking at here is the bone stock rims and tires. And this one's aired up. Actually, I got it aired up to 30 pounds. 25 inch by 11 by 12 inch rim. I ordered some Terrabites. These are 27, 2 inches taller supposedly by a 1 inch wider by 12s, and the fronts are going to be the same, but they're only 9 inches wide, and them didn't come yet. The company messed up and they only sent me 2 so far, but I can go ahead and do what I'm going to do. I drive that Mule on the road a lot more, so this is going to be about is I'm going to test the RPMs or the miles per hour in with my GPS, which I already did, and I'll put that in. Ended up being 43 to 44 miles an hour max before it governor kicks it out. Now these I'm going to put on, and we're going to test these next in the same spot with a GPS. So I'm going to take this over to my friend, get these put on here, and my guess once I air them up, they are going to be a good inch or so taller. Actually got about the same bite. These are a harder tire. These are soft, so these should be better on the road. So let's get rolling. All right, with the air out of these are now a good almost an inch shorter than these. Rim is still on this one. We're getting ready to swap these out. Wow, look at the difference. That's got 28 pounds in it. Got them on the rims, and we're going to install them on the Kawasaki and see the speed difference. Okay, these are the stock 25 by 10 by 12s. Decent tire, a lot of lug. But I'm going to do is go down the road and turn the GPS on and see what a top speed is on this, which should be just under 44 through the GPS. And then we're going to put them other tires on and see how much I gain. Let's get going with a stock rubber. Front ones didn't come yet, but it won't matter. All right, I'm going to run down the road, hold it on the floor, and there's my GPS, and there's my regular speedometer. So here we go, stock tires. Okay, same spot, new tires. We will watch this, of course. The speedometer will be off now. It's about right. I gained 2 miles an hour. Ride's a lot better. It's actually not a lot more than what I thought it would be. I mean, it's less than what I thought it would be. I'm averaging about 2 miles an hour gain. So, but it's good. Tire, obviously, I could go up more by putting more air in it, but I'm not gonna. Rides tremendously better on the road than what the other ones did. I'm impressed. So, I went with a 2-inch taller tire, and was it 2 inches? It's real close, and I gained about 2 miles an hour on this thing, from a 25 to a 27 on this Kawasaki Mule. So if anybody's interested, I got to get the front tires on yet. Them are coming in the mail, so I can't run it 4-wheel drive. So there you go.